In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zendesk password, a crucial action for maintaining the security of your account and safeguarding your personal information. Whether you've forgotten your old password or simply need to update it for added security, I'll guide you through this straightforward process with ease and clarity. To begin with, the first thing you need to do is navigate to your Zendesk profile. It's located conveniently in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're there, click on your profile avatar. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find multiple options. From this list, select View Profile. This step is your gateway to accessing the settings necessary to change your password. Once you've successfully landed on your profile page, direct your attention to the Security Settings tab. This tab is where all of your security-related options reside. It's an essential area to familiarize yourself with if you're looking to enhance the security of your account. Now, under the Security Settings tab, you will see a section dedicated to your password. Within this section, there is a Change option. Clicking on this option will lead you directly to the password change form. At this stage, the form will prompt you to enter your current password. This is an important step as it verifies your identity and ensures that only authorized users are making changes to the account settings. After you've correctly entered your current password, you'll be required to input your new password. To guarantee accuracy and prevent any potential issues with logging in later, you'll need to enter your new password twice. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Consider a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to fortify your account's security. With both instances of your new password entered correctly, the next step is to click on the Change Password button. This action finalizes the change process. You can rest assured that your information is safe, as you'll receive a confirmation email from Zendesk shortly after. This email serves as both a notice and a security measure, confirming that your password change has been successfully completed. By following these steps, you have now effectively changed your Zendesk password. As straightforward as it may seem, regularly updating your passwords is a crucial practice in maintaining strong online security. Remember to store your new passwords securely and consider setting a reminder to update them periodically. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips that help you manage your online accounts efficiently.